Hi, everybody. Welcome to our What's on the Roadmap Q2 2025 webinar with Happy Cabbage Analytics. I'm Andrew, CEO of Happy Cabbage, and I'm joined here today with our CTO, Eric Cobb, and our COO running product and ops, Danny Gold. Let's dive right in. So, one thing I always like to start with is just remind folks, Happy Cabbage, what do we do if you haven't heard of us before? We make retail cannabis ordering easy, right? With the only inventory tool specifically built for retail cannabis buyers. On average, this tool is helping folks save about 10 hours a week in overall time spent doing the ordering tasks and about $150,000 of free cash flow per store. We'll talk a little bit about some new features and functionality that we're launching, have just launched, and are going to be launching with this tool in this webinar. Some other quick stats. So these are some fresh off the press. If you haven't seen these recently, this is stats we've pulled this year so far on like how Happy Cabbage, Happy Buyers clients are doing. On average, they have 17 fewer days of supply. Their total amount of SKUs have been reduced 11%. Their slow moving SKUs are reducing 14%. And we're seeing the tool work across a bevy of different customers here. So if you recognize any logos on this list, feel free to talk to them, reach out to them, and you'll find tools working. So we're really excited here today to talk about some new stuff coming. But the first thing I want to mention is we are now live with Flowhub. This was a pretty big thing that was requested by a lot of folks. Huge, we say internally in Happy Cabbage, popcorn. So popcorn to Danny and Cobb here for working together to put Flowhub on the integration roadmap and make it live. If you would like, are on Flowhub and you've been like following what we're doing and you're like, oh man, I really wish they had Happy Buyers for Flowhub. Guess what? It is now available, and we are happy to say that we are supporting the same level of functionality for Flowhub as we do for our other integrations, including Dutchie, which is still our largest integration that we have to date. I'm also really happy to say that if you're on Flowhub or any of those systems we were just showing, we're happy to give a free 14-day free trial. This is also something that was had been heavily requested this year by folks who are interested. They've heard about the tool, but everyone's like, I just want to make it real by seeing our data in the tool. So now we have a 14-day free trial.